Looking for experienced automotive window tinting in Murfreesboro, Tennessee? You've just found the pros at Tint Guy LLC, where quality meets experience. With years of hands-on expertise, we know what it takes to tint your ride right. From sedans to trucks, SUVs to sports cars, we've tinted them all. Our work is clean, precise, and built to last. No bubbles, no peeling, just flawless finish and superior performance. We use top-rated films designed to block harmful UV rays and reduce interior heat. That means more comfort for you and protection for your car's interior. Need privacy? Want to elevate your car's style? We offer a variety of shades to match your vision and local tint laws. Our team takes pride in every install. It's not just a job, it's our craft. Fast service, local reputation, trusted by Murfreesboro drivers. We don't cut corners, we perfect every edge. Your time matters and so does your vehicle. That's why we guarantee high-quality results with every appointment. Call 615-410-3805 today to schedule your tint service. Or visit tintguylc.com for a free quote. Tint Guy LLC, experienced automotive window tinting you can trust in Murfreesboro, Tennessee.